know that certain fruits can help you lose weight by lowering blood sugar levels? Let's explore 5 fruits with a low glycemic index and glycemic load that can aid in your weight loss journey. First up, we have berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries are not only delicious but also a low glycemic index. They are packed with antioxidant and fiber, helping to keep you full longer. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries or blackberry have a GI range of 28 to 40. Sour blueberries offer the lowest GI while strawberries are the highest end, but still well within the cutoff. Dark color berries are low carb and rich in anthocyanin, a potent antioxidant compound. They have a link to reducing inflammation in the body, neutralizing harmful free radicals that wreak havoc on the system, and reducing the risk of certain cancers. Red berries also offer some anthocyanin as well as vitamin C. Next, we have cherries with a glycemic index of just 20. Cherries are perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth without spiking your blood sugar. Plus, they are low in calories. Cherries are also a good source of fiber, potassium, vitamin and mineral, and antioxidant. Some potential benefit of eating cherries include, that is, blood sugar management. Fiber can help lower fasting blood sugar and A1C level. Second is increased insulin sensitivity. Anthocyanin may help manage diabetes by increasing insulin sensitivity. However, cherries are rich in salicylate, which are naturally occurring yet. People who are allergic or intolerant to salicylate may experience gastrointestinal symptoms like diarrhea, bloating, excess gas, and abdominal pain if they eat in large quantities. Moving on to apples, with a glycemic index of around 36, apples are a great snack option. They are rich in fiber and water, making them filling and perfect for weight loss. Apples are a good source of fiber, vitamin C and antioxidants. They also contain a lot of water, which can help you feel full without consuming a lot of calories. The skin of an apple contains a large part of its nutrient value, so it's best to wash and keep the skin on when eating or cooking. Green apples contain less sugar, more fiber and more antioxidant than red apples. Granny Smith apples tend to have the least sugar. Our fourth fruit is pear. They have a glycemic index 38 and an excellent source of fiber. Pear can help regulate your blood sugar while keeping you satisfied. That's as much as 20% of fiber you need each day. Women should get about 25 grams of fiber a day, while men should shoot for 38. Some studies suggest that the pigment that give pear their color, called anthocyanin, can lower your chance of type 2 diabetes, but we need more research on it. Lastly, we have grapefruit, known for its metabolism boosting properties. Grapefruit have a low glycemic index of 25. It's fantastic addition to any weight loss plan. Grapefruit is considered a low glycemic index fruit with a score of 25. The low glycemic index rating means consuming grapefruit should not cause dramatic rises or spikes in the blood sugar level. Incorporating these 5 fruits into your diet can help you manage blood sugar levels, curb craving, and support your weight loss goal.